hand. Hey guys, welcome back to another exploding video today. Oh! Oh no. Today is Crush time. It's Crush's turn. Now I need to put the, oh crap. Let's put, okay, let's put the lid on. I'm putting the lid on. Now, this is a good place to put my camera. Nope, that isn't. Just do it. Okay, just do it. Okay, now let's shake it. Okay. Okay, okay guys, I'm back. Let's do it right here. Hopefully it won't fall. Get back here. You know what, I'm just gonna put it there. Hey! Okay. It didn't explode. Really? This is the first time nothing Crush exploded. Okay. Whoa! Oh no, it's getting everywhere. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye!